big hello to everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and learning all the chapters with me. Are you all learning? Very nice. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. And our today's topic is that is very important, and that is uses of water. Water is very essential and important for our life. We use water in many things that I will tell you in today's class. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is water, and we use water in doing various things. Okay, so let's study one by one. First is cooking. If we cook food, we need water, right? If we make tea, we make Maggi, we make vegetables, we make anything. First, we are going to use water for that, okay? So, in cooking, we need water. Next is in bathing. See, in bathing, we use water. How do we bath? By using water, okay? So, in bathing, we need water. Next is brushing teeth. When we brush our teeth, how do you brush your teeth? Like this or like this? Okay, very good. So when we brush our teeth, we need water for that. Without water, can you brush your teeth? No, you cannot. Okay. Next is mopping floor. When we clean the floor with a mop, we need water for that, because if we don't use water, it will be dry. Okay. Next is in watering the plants. See, plants also need water to grow, okay, to live, to breathe. So plants also need water. Next is in drinking. See, we drink water because whenever we feel thirsty, what do? We ask for water only, right? So in drinking we need water. Then in washing hands, see, we wash our hands in a day various times, like before eating the food, after eating the food, for going out for play, then coming out after play. We always wash our hands, and washing our hands, we need water. Then washing clothes, okay? And when we wash our clothes, when we clean our clothes, we need water for that, all right? And the last one is in cleaning utensils, and dishes. When you eat on the plate gets dirty, and then we have to wash the plates. And for washing plates, we need water, okay? So like this, there are various utensils: a bowl, spoon, plate, glass, a cooker, a pan. So all these things we clean after cooking, and we need water for that, okay? So see, water is so important for us. In everything we need water. So can you imagine your life without water? No, I can't imagine my life, because if I feel thirsty, I need water. I need to wash my hands, I need water. I need to bathe, I need water for that. So in every little things, we need water. Okay. So we should not waste water, because water is very precious. Okay. So we should not waste water. Promise me that you will not waste water. If you're brushing your teeth, you should switch off the tap. Okay. You should not keep the tap water running. Just switch off the tap. Okay. And if you are bathing, don't bath so much. Okay. Take small shower. Okay. And if any tap is leaking at your home, you should quickly repair that tap. Okay. Because if tap is leaking, that means water is getting wasted. Okay. So quickly repair that tap. Okay, like this you can save water. and which is very, very important for every one of us. All right. Okay. So the next page is about Kiara wants to drink the water, lead her way through the maze to reach the tap. Now, she is a girl, Kiara. She wants to drink the water. Now, she wants to go here and we will help her reach here. Will you help her? Okay, so let's help her. So, how she will reach here? First, she will go from here, then turn, then come straight, then turn again, then come here, and then go up, and then where she'll go? She will go here, then come down, then go here, then she will come out of this and come here, then go up, again, go here, keep walking, then she'll take a turn, then walk, turn, walk, turn, walk, again turn, then walk, again turn and walk, again turn and walk, again turn and walk, and she is the last turn she has to take and she is there on the tap. Now she is there at the tap. Now she will drink the water. Okay, but after drinking the water, always turn off the tap. Will you? Yes. If you're drinking the water, after drinking it, please turn off the tap. Okay? And be a good and responsible student. Alright, very good. So that's it for today's class. We have learned about saving water and uses of water, which is very, very important. So I hope that you understood our today's class. And now I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.